Okay, so here you can see 2.1 USDT I got today's date. So this website is legit, you can use as well. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new USDT earning website. You can earn unlimited USDT and you can generate huge amount from this website through investment. I will show you the all process. You can invest low amount and you can generate huge amount and you can get instant withdraw. I will show you the all process, how you can invest and how you can get withdraw. So don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand. So let's move to our video. First of all, you have required website link which given description. So here you can see you have need to create account. So provide here your email address, password, confirm password, put your invitation code which given description. You can copy from there and paste your invitation code, then just click on sign up. Your account will be created. After create account, just login account. Okay, so here you can see the interface of this website. I will show you all process how you can earn from this website. So there is a given option. Okay, so here you can see deposit, withdrawal, sign in and my teams. First of all, I will show you their projects. So here is the given some projects. Okay, here you can see 1 day experience program. I recommend you use 1 day experience program. Minimum USDT deposit 2 USDT and you will get 0.1 USDT after 1 day, and you can get instant withdraw, which I will show you the proof as well. And here's the given many others project you can use, but I recommend it just 1 day experience program. So now to activate 1 day experience program, you have required 10 USDT deposit amount. So we'll deposit our amount. You can get minimum withdraw 1 USDT without any charges. So now just click on deposit. So minimum deposit 10 USD, okay, or 40 TRX. You can charge both if you want. Then just copy address. If you want to use QR code, you can use from your wallet or copy address. Just okay, address copied. Now go to your wallet which you use. I am using FastPay. I will show you how you can invest from FastPay. Okay, so just click on linked address first of all to save link which we copied. Okay, then paste here address. Okay, provide her name which you can remember. Then select coin TRC20. Okay, then just click on link. Okay, address linked successfully. Now we will deposit. Okay, so just click on withdraw to send amount on this website. Okay, so just click on Coinbase. Okay, so just click on coin. Okay, TRC20 USDT. Okay, then just click on withdrawal address. Here you can see I linked some time ago this address. Okay, I remembered. Then provide her amount. Minimum deposit is 10 USDT. Okay, 10.33 is the FastPay fees. Okay, then I will get 10 USDT in my account. So just click on place withdrawal. Okay, withdrawal record successfully. It take 5 minutes or less. After 5 minutes, go to the website. Then just go back, then reload website and go to the account. Okay, here you can see payment received 10 USDT. Here you can see the amount. So go to the invest plan. Okay, click on invest. So here you can see 1 day experience program. So just click on invest. Okay, so now here you can see total amount 2 USDT. Okay, put here 2 USDT and just click on invest. Then after 1 day you will get 2.1 USDT and you can get withdraw anytime easily. After 24 hours you will get 5% daily interest rate. Okay, so just click on invest. Okay, purchase successful. Now wait for 24 hours. Okay, here you can see interest rate is 0.1. I will get 1 day 2.1 USDT. Okay, now go back. Okay, go to the account. Here you can see my balance increase 10.1 USDT. Okay, so now after 24 hours I can get withdraw easily. Okay, so just click on profile icon. You can see here your investment plan, your level and wallet management and many other options. You can modify your password as well. So now go back. If you have any queries about this website, you can live chat on Telegram from these members. Okay, so here's the share button, which is the best option to earn more money from this website. This website paid in 3 steps. In one step they provide you 10% of commission of your friends. In second step they will provide 5%. In third step they will provide 3% of your friend commission. So invite your friend more and more and earn more and more money from this website. So I showed the all process to you. So now just wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours I meet you and I will show you the payment proof as well. Okay, now 24 hours is completed. So first off I will show you the website white paper, then I will show you how you can get withdraw. So here you can see company law paper, just click on it. Okay, here you can see company profile, you can check privacy policy, you can read as well. Here is the company law white paper, you can read out and download from PDF. Okay, you can read out energy white paper. They are powering and they are giving new projects. You can read out about their white papers. Then so now I will show you the payment proof. Go back to the website. Now I show you how you can get withdraw. So for get withdraw, just click on withdraw section. Here you can see I have available 10.1 USDT. So now to get withdraw, just click on withdraw button. Okay, here you have required some settings. So just click on setting to give here your transaction password. So give your 6-digit transaction password. Okay, after giving password, just click on modify. So now modified successful, then just click on withdraw. So now here you have required select wallet, just click on select wallet. Here you can see plus icon, click on plus icon. So provide here your wallet address, TRC20 USDT, copy from your wallet. So now paste here your wallet address which you copied, then just click on save. Okay, now saved successful. Go back, just select your address which you saved. Okay, select. Now go back. So put here total amount which you have available, 2.1 USDT I have available. I can get withdrawn in just one day. Okay, then provide here your transaction password which you modified. After giving password, I will get 2.1 USDT. Then just click on submit. Okay, without location submit successful. It can get 5 to 10 minutes. So just wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check your wallet address. You will receive your amount in your wallet address. Okay, so here you can see I received 2.1 USDT. You can check today's date as well. So I showed you the payment proof. You can use this website. So now go back to the website. If you want to watch more USDT from this website, so invite your friend. Share is the best option to earn more income from this website. Okay, you can copy this address and invite different platforms to generate your referral. So now if you want to watch more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take